Hello, we are the Screaming Triangles, and today we're going to teach you about functions. So function deals with two different variables, an input and an output. So if we had two different sets, set x was equal to A, B, C, and set y is equal to 1, 2, 3, then x would be our inputs and y would be our outputs. So if you input A, you get 1. Input B, you get 2. And if you input C, you could also get 2. And that would still be considered a function. However, if you had B, and then say you wanted to input B again, but you got 1, then this would not be a function. This cannot exist in order for functions to exist. B can only have an output of 2. B cannot have two different outputs, but you can have two different inputs that equal a different output, and that's a function.
One everyday life example of a function would be using this vending machine. So if I put some money in here, and I use one of these buttons as an example of an input, use my input to get a specific output, the pop. Yum.
Another example of functions in everyday life can come from even a TV. An input would be pressing the on button, and the output would be the TV turning on.
Another example of an everyday function would be dialing a phone number into this phone, making a call.
Hello?
This is a function.
Functions
are fun!